Hey guys, so I have already connected the fan wire to the original connector, and then so this is fan. Direction is this direction. Should be okay. And then these are the rubber cap for table legs already installed. Just insert it, and then I changed that heater position from there to this here, almost the roof, and once the ventilation starts, so that air should come from this opening. So I just felt the position can detect the change very very much obviously, and more for that reference I put one sensor here, that heater core, so we can monitor this heater core always. So this coming from here, and then now it's this, so 45, now 44.8, it's decreasing. So the switch for this rear heater can be used for this fan currently. So now it's rotating. So it sounds a little bit. So I will close the maintenance hatch.